Welcome to the channel. Today, we're mastering the pronunciation of the word cryptanalysis. It may sound a bit technical, but don't worry. We'll break it down so you can pronounce it confidently. The correct pronunciation is cryptanalysis. First, we have crip, where it sounds like crip in cripple, then ta, which is a soft sound, like the A in sofa. After that, nal, where it rhymes with pal. Finally, sis, where is soft and sis sounds like sis. Let's put it all together slowly. Cryptanalysis. Now, repeat after me. Cryptanalysis. A little faster. Cryptanalysis. And at full speed. Cryptanalysis. Keep practicing, and soon it will be easy to say. Now that you've nailed the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Cryptanalysis is the study or practice of analyzing and breaking codes and ciphers. It's essential in fields like cybersecurity and cryptography, where protecting or decoding information is crucial. That's it. Now you know how to pronounce cryptanalysis and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, share it with others, and comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next. Don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.